Good morning, everyone. So here's a quick market update. Lots to track this morning when it comes to the US jobs data, Trump's commentary on India, and along with that, a whole host of earnings. So firstly, let's start with the US macro data, when the jobs data has been revised downward by 9.11 lakhs from the initial estimates, and that indeed is a big number, wherein JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon is actually saying that this particular data of jobs revision is an indication that the US economy is slowing down. But with respect to the markets, that indeed fuels the optimism that going ahead, the rate cut is a possibility. And because of that, we have seen the US markets surging higher, wherein Dow Jones was seen to be surging higher by almost 200 points, S&P 500 and even Nasdaq Composite ended in the green. Now, along with that, a whole host of earnings that we were tracking. Firstly, with respect to Oracle, after a good set of numbers, the aftermarket move in the stock price was over 20%. United Health was another earnings candidate, surged by almost 3 to 9%, and along with that it was Apple as well, when finally the 17 series has been launched, but after that we have seen a bit of a decline on the stock price. Nothing major with respect to the European markets, but in terms of the Donald Trump's commentary on India, that's interesting to see, because on one hand he's seen to be urging the European leaders to go ahead and impose higher tariffs on India and China in the range of 50 to 100% as well. But on the other hand, in a latest social media post, he's actually saying that in the coming weeks, he's expecting to speak with Prime Minister Modi, expressing optimism for a mutually favorable deal. Now, back home, GIFT Nifty is indicating a very flat start for ourselves. But in terms of the other cues with respect to gold, Brent and dollar index, nothing much to track over there.